Welcome back, guys. So before we proceed, I want you to do something for me. I want you to have a feel of how wallet is being set up. So you set up a wallet. Is either you use a trust wallet or a Ton ecosystem wallet. So there are a lot of Ton ecosystem wallets. I'll just show you some. So you can check out Ton Keeper, set up this wallet. That's a task for you to do. And right here, I'm going to click on wallets. Is either you download the Trust Wallet mobile app or you use a browser extension. You can download it on your mobile phone, download this on your mobile phone or use a browser extension. I'm on my laptop right now, so I'll be using a browser extension. If you're using a mobile phone, just download Trust Wallet and set it up the way I'll do right now. So I'm going to use my browser extension to do that. I'll download the extension on my laptop. You either download it on your iOS or your Android phone, or you download the APK for Android, or you download for Chrome. So I'll download for Chrome since I'm using my Chrome browser. I'll download for Chrome, and here it is. I'll add it to Chrome or as an extension. This is how to use a mini app on Chrome. So I'm going to add it as an extension on Chrome, and I'll be able to set it up on Chrome. This is being downloaded. Once it's downloaded, I'll be able to set it up on Chrome. So wallet setup is just as easy as that. You download it on your mobile phone. If you are using a mobile phone, just go to your Play Store or App Store. You are going to see where to download your Trust Wallet. Then you can use a Ton Keeper as well. That's for Ton ecosystem. So what I'm going to do is to continue the process on my laptop or my Chrome browser. As you can see, this is the extension being added, and I'm going to continue the process. You'll see welcome to the Trust Wallet extension. If you're using a mobile phone, you see the same thing. You'll see this menu, create a new wallet. It imports or recover wallets, Ledger, or connect your Ledger wallets. We've talked about Ledger wallets, and it's either you connect it or you create a new wallet. So what I'll be doing is I want to create a new wallet. I'll create a new wallet. Back to the import. When you want to import, you import existing wallets with your key phrase. The key phrase will be given to you. Once it's given to you, you use it to set up an existing wallet, but we are trying to create a new one. So you give it a password, follow the password terms. I'm going to give my password right away and make sure it's checked all these terms, and at least one symbol is going to have at least one symbol. So I've set up my password and I'm going to continue right now. I'm going to confirm the password right here to be sure that the password is correct, and I'm going to do that right now. Then I've done that, then it's correct. So I'm going to click on I've read and agree to the terms of service. So I'm going to continue. You can read that if you have to, but I'm going to continue right now and have this one set up. So the next thing I'll be seeing right now is my key phrase. Now, as you can see, help improve trust rate by sharing usage pattern with us. So you see, we only collect specific data to improve the user experience, and I'll say no thanks. Then I'm going to continue. As you can see, it says your wallet is ready to use. Remember to back up and keep your secret phrase. This is what we'll be talking about. So this should be backup. Just set a default wallet to enable seamless app connection. Trust Wallet is set to default, and click at the top right corner of your browser and pin Trust Wallet for easy access. Then Trust Wallet, you're going to pin it up here if you want to use it. So this is what it means. You come to this your extension and try to pin it to have easy access to it. So when you pin it, you see Trust Wallet here. This is your Trust Wallet icon. Then here you have your wallet is ready to use. Then you open your wallet. Then we are going to continue right now. So I'm going to open my wallet, and it says how to access the apps with Trust Wallet. With Trust Wallet, you have three easy ways to access the apps. Choose one of these when it's time. The Trust Wallet icon, the Wallet Connect icon, the jetted of browser wallet icon. Got it? So you have to do this. So I'm going to click on this, and it says manage all your tokens easily. Millions of tokens are available out of the box, including these. So I'm ready to use Trust Wallet. So I'm going to click on that, and here is my Trust Wallet being set up. When you click on this place, you get your secret phrase. So this is what you write down. Click on this to get your secret phrase and write it down. If you are doing it on a mobile app, it's the same way. So you can write that down, and as you can see, there are a lot of features here. You send, you receive, you swap, you buy and sell right here on Trust Wallet. So you can come to earn as well. You see your earn, you can stake your ETH with Trust. You can check other coins you can stake as well. That's one of the ways you can make money. As you can see, we have a whole lot of coin right here. Let's see, we have this, and yeah, we have all this. So that's native staking. Then you check your history, you check your settings, which is paramount. Then having to check these settings, look at your secret phrase. This is what I told you to have it in a separate location on your pad or on your notepad that only you have access to. That's my theme. I change it to dark mode. Then you can open inside panel. You can set as a default wallet and all that. So I'm setting this Trust Wallet as my default wallet, and you can edit wallets. You can view and edit wallet right here. You can add new wallets. This is just very one we are using. Then you can change wallet name. You can change wallet name right here, and you can add a new wallet. So you can manage more than one wallet in one Trust Wallet, as you can see. And we have all these. The major thing I want you to know here is to back up your secret phrase. That's the most important thing. Then you can see how to switch network from here. Your address, you can copy your address. So you can switch network from here. Right now is on the Ethereum network, so you can decide to switch network and say you want to switch to another network of your choice. As you can see, we have a whole lot of network right here, and these network are networks under coins, so you don't have to be on Ethereum network. You can do any other transactions right here. So that's wallet for you. It's as simple as that. No matter the number of wallets you open, just make sure your secret phrase is saved, because you might need it for a whole lot of things. There are airdrops you might need all these wallets for. So if you are going into NFT as well, you need wallet as well and smart contract. So these are the basic things you need. There's MetaMask. There are a lot of wallets, but I'm using Trust Wallet as an example. They all have the same process. So regardless of the one I use, you can use any other one. Just make sure it's a wallet and is a trusted wallet. As you can see, this is a Trust Wallet, and I've done the whole creation and saving my secret phrase. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.